Today I'm taking you inside Pictory AI, a tool that claims to simplify video creation using artificial intelligence. If you've been looking at ways to automate your content creation or build passive income streams using YouTube or digital products, this platform has probably come up on your radar. I've spent some time using it, testing its different features, and in this video, I'll walk you through my experience, both the good and the not so great. Pictory starts by letting you upload scripts or URLs to generate video content automatically. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, which is definitely a plus. Once you paste in your script or link, Pictory quickly breaks it into scenes and suggests relevant stock footage and text overlays. The speed is impressive, and if you're looking to pump out a lot of short-form or explainer videos quickly, this tool definitely delivers on efficiency. However, not everything is perfect. While Pictory does a solid job matching stock visuals to the script, there are moments where the video clips don't align perfectly with the context. This means you'll often have to go in manually and make changes, especially if you care about precision or brand consistency. The AI voiceovers are serviceable but far from natural, and unless you upgrade, your customization options are pretty limited. Many useful links you can find in the description. Let's talk pricing. Pictory isn't the cheapest tool out there. The basic plan includes some decent features, but for access to the better voices and full video length capabilities, you'll need to invest more. If you're just starting out or only producing occasional videos, the cost might feel a bit steep. That said, for content creators running multiple channels or businesses, it could be a worthwhile investment purely for the time saved. Another drawback is the lack of fine-tuning in the editing timeline. If you're used to traditional video editors, like Premiere Pro, or even simpler tools, like Canva Video, Pictory's timeline feels overly simplified. You can't layer in much customization or animation. It's definitely designed for fast, automated output, not artistic flexibility. That being said, one of Pictory's biggest strengths is its ability to convert long-form content, like blog posts or webinars, into digestible video highlights. This is incredibly useful for repurposing content. Also, the text-to-video feature is great for faceless YouTube channels, making it easier to stay consistent without being on camera. Overall, Pictory AI does a lot right, especially for people looking to save time and scale video content for platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, or even LinkedIn. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're a perfectionist about video storytelling or need full control over visuals, you might find its limitations frustrating. However, for quick content generation and marketing, it can be a helpful addition to your toolkit. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tips on content creation tools.